It's a busy and hectic Friday morning here in the canteen. We're with Paddy, Ray, Jenny. We don't know who else might pop in as well on the show. But Jenny, you probably got the biggest news this week. You're off to America.
Yeah.
What's the story? Where are you going?
I am going to America next Friday.
Then, which part of America are you going to?
New York.
Well. And for what's the plan? Are you doing some shopping or going to see a show or?
Shopping and a show.
Very nice. I must say, a bit jealous now.
Yeah.
Alright, what are you looking forward to the most? Or?
Shopping.
Shopping. Nice. Great. Alright, nice one, Jenny. You have to look forward to that. So,
Yeah.
Paddy, how about you? How's the sport? We're here with our sports desk. Ray and Paddy. What's going on in the world of sports? What's going on, Paddy? United or who won during the week? Was it Chelsea? There was an English team.
Yeah. Chelsea won 4-1. Yeah.
They won 4-1, was it? That was
The Rouge won in the half time.
right.
And they won 4-1.
And we've a bit of extra gravitas on the sports desk. Ray here, a seasoned FAI ref. A seasoned FAI ref. And long-term Shelbourne supporter. Ray, what's going on in the League of Ireland this week?
Well, Shelbourne had a very fortuitous but very welcome win over St Patrick's last week. 3-2.
St. Pat's is your team, Paddy, isn't it? In Chipor.
No, sadly. But Shelbourne beat them 3-2. Shelbourne, and then they beat Sligo Rovers on Monday night, I think it was. But tonight they're playing a tough game, even though Cork City are in the second part of the league. So a tough game in Turner's Cross against Cork City tonight. I think I've forgotten what the fixtures are. I know the Bohemians are playing in Dalymount Park against somebody.
Derry, I
Is
think.
it Derry?
Yeah.
So, so it's still shaping up to be a very closely contested. Even though Hammergrove are kind of stretching away about 5 or 6 points now to stay. But still, they can still be pulled back. Reeled back in. So that's about it from me, Dave.
Alright, well, just James, our chef for the morning, has entered. James, Catherine was saying you've been making, tell us about what's going on in the kitchen this morning.
We make eggs and toast.
Eggs on toast. They look kind of a bit more. It looks like it's a bit more special than eggs on toast. I think you're being modest there.
Eggs and toast and sausages.
Eggs on toast and sausages. That looks like, is that French toast?
Yeah.
Yeah, so our listeners, it does look very delicious.
Yeah.
Tell us, how did you make it?
We cracked the eggs. We cracked 2 eggs.
Cracked 2 eggs.
Yeah. Egg yolks.
Egg yolks. Yeah.
And put salt and pepper in it. And get 2 slices of bread.
2 slices of bread. Okay. And do you have to dip the bread or how do you?
Dip the bread in the egg yolks.
Right. Okay.
In the egg yolks.
Right. And what do you recommend serving with it then? How long does it take to cook altogether?
So 5 or 10 minutes.
5 or 10 minutes. Lovely. And we've some celebrity tasters this morning. Ray and Paddy. What did you make of James's
Beautiful.
French toast? Beautiful.
French toast with sausage.
French toast with sausage. Paddy, what's the verdict? Yeah, they've their mouths
Another thing
stuffed.
of value, note, is Jenny, our correspondent, at the Bloom yesterday. Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Jenny? And met a number of celebrities along the way.
You were at a match yesterday.
Yeah.
So Ray was like, Jenny was at Bloom yesterday.
And she met Marty.
No way, you met some
did you?
celebrities.
Yeah.
Martin.
Yeah, I met him.
Martin Moore.
Talk to the other
Yeah,
fella.
again. What?
What's the other fella?
The chef.
Chef, yeah.
You know the fellow with the grey hair?
Yeah.
Young fella.
The young guy, yeah.
Donald Skehan. All right. Is that where you got your tips, James, for the eggs on the French
You gotta
toast?
get a beautiful photograph with him.
What's that?
What, have you seen it? Yeah.
Davey, so you were over to watch the Bell Camp Garden in Bloom yesterday, was it?
Yeah.
Davey, what did you think of it? What was your favourite?
Good, yeah.
garden?
Good.
Do you think it deserves to win? Or?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
Right. So you'd recommend visiting Bloom? I
Yeah.
heard there's loads of food stalls there.
Yeah.
And, yeah. So give us a sneak peek. What's Bloom like for anyone who's looking to go over the weekend?
Oh, it's very good. You have to get a ticket, but it's €25.
Right.
And then
What can we expect?
No,
if
no,
you-
walking, you were saying?
loads of walking,
Right. And did you get?
loads of hills. And we got soaking as well yesterday.
Yeah, the rain has been crazy. It's been very stop-start.
Yeah.
I haven't seen rain like
Because I
that
sat on
for a
the
while.
grass yesterday and I was soaking.
And then it goes, and then it's back and
Yeah.
it's heavy and yeah.
Yeah, I sat on the grass yesterday.
Right. Nice
Yeah.
one.
You know what you just done? You just put your rain jacket on it.
I did.
Sean, any as our guest last week on our hiking and trails, do you have any recommendations this long bank holiday weekend? Some spots to maybe hike or trek and
Sure, head up to Wicklow Mountains there, and any of the those jebs, or any of those.
We have to go in person.
right, Nora, just say Jenny's our fashion correspondent.
Oh
for,
yeah, Jenny's amazing.
for summer. She was saying she's off to New York, do a bit of shopping
Oh, I love off to New York.
Friday.
Right next Friday.
Oh yeah, off to New York.
We must also mention,
You looking forward to going to New York?
we must also
So you
mention,
won't be at the wayfinding on Tuesday. Will you be back in time for
Yeah, I'll
Tuesday?
be back for that. Yeah.
No, I don't get lost in New York.
Yeah,
Going
I'll
to
be
New
back.
York. Do you mind going to?
we must also mention that on the 18th of, no, it's not, it's on the 12th of July.
We're going to have St. Michael's
So Michael's
House.
House 7, and you can, they're encouraging people to come along in 70s gear. Oh well. All right. So we've already got James
I am going to
kitted
go to
out.
When?
Bell bottoms,
Yeah.
okay. A bright, gaudy Hawaii 5-0 type shorts,
Paddy, I should have gotten it.
and we're going to get gel,
Oh yeah.
bright coloured up.
Are you coming?
Oh yeah, I'm going to do that. Yeah.
Nora, can you talk us through the
You have to-
70s?
It's part of the St. Michael's House. St. Michael's
Yeah,
House is going to
no,
be
no.
70 years this year.
Yeah.
And one of the events they're going to do is a big barbecue. So they're doing one on the south side in Templeogue, and they're going to go do the one on the north side, which is our side,
Yeah.
right, on the 12th of July, right? So it's going to be a big barbecue. So all staff,
Yeah.
people who are supported by St. Michael's House, all the people that have been there before. But we all have to dress up in 70s gear.
Yeah, we do.
So that'd be amazing.
Find yourself a kind of bandana,
Bandana, yeah.
and long hair,
I'm going to get a
and
wig.
your rah-rah.
Oh yeah, be gorgeous.
Big
Can you
rah-rah.
imagine?
Yeah.
And,
I'm going to get a wig.
You're going to get away.
Yeah.
So I just think it'd be lovely to celebrate everything
What was I
that's
like
been
in the
achieved
50s?
over the last 70 years.
Will you come down when I get a wig?
I'll go
What
down.
did I look like?
Rain or hail or whatever.
No,
it's-
I think they're going to marquees and you know the back of it there.
Yeah.
They're
Eddie?
the glens are all in there, so
Oh, okay,
hopefully they'll have.
right.
So and Glenveigh are having a party as well. I was invited to a party in Glenveigh.
There you
Glenveigh are going to be 25 years.
25 years.
Are you going?
I got the 6th of July. I was going to treat Paddy to a Hawaiian
You can
shirt
dress
today.
up. You can dress up.
A Hawaii shirt.
I was going to treat him to a Hawaiian shirt today, and I should have probably gotten it now.
Is there a best dressed on the day or
Yeah.
best?
What are you going to dress up as?
You can be Sandy.
Sandy.
Can you imagine?
Sandy.
I'll have to go
Which are-
to talking about it to fit into.
I'm going to be a fox tan.
Please don't look Ross
And Jen, you can be.
Yeah. I'm going to dress.
But you know, actually, it was so funny there today, right?
Like,
I thought it was just among, you know, all of us, you know. Sean goes, I was going, you know it's on YouTube.
I think we should all make a big effort
Can I just say
to
something?
go 50s for that day.
Yeah, can I just say
Lord
something?
days.
No. You've got a head start. You're going to New York. You can get all the fashionable clever. There's the vintage
You won't be
shops.
bothered about us
And
when
you'll be
our
back
birthday
in-
comes around
No,
in New York.
definitely not.
Paddy, what do you think? Who could you dress up as for the 70s? Are you like a...
Yes, you will.
Yourself.
You will. And I will too. If you do, I will. And you do, I will.
Are you coming too?
You can't talk about it. That's not fun.
Here. Hello, are you coming too?
I'm waiting to be fed.
Are you? I'll get the violins out for you.
In a small complex
They're
set.
playing for you and all, yeah.
Oh, you're on fire today. You are on fire today.
They're playing for you and all, yeah.
Oh. What side of the bed did you wake up on the bed?
Yeah.
The funny side of the bed.
Yeah.
All right,
So
so
what are
we've
your
got
plans
this.
for the bank holiday?
Don't know yet.
Selling some cards down in St. Anne's tomorrow.
Very nice.
Yeah, someday.
Well, Inhaler, good luck with that. Inhaler are playing there tonight.
Oh, Nicole's doing the mini marathon.
And Nicole is doing the mini marathon.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
She is, yeah.
Yeah, there's the women's mini marathon
Yeah.
this Saturday. Phoenix Park. Isn't it?
Sunday.
Sunday, isn't it?
Sunday, yeah. Sunday.
Sean, you're usually our kind of celebrity chef.
Oh, he is.
What did you make of James's French toast today?
I thought it looked very well, yeah. And you cooked it yourself, did you? Catherine is the new head chef here.
Well done, Catherine.
She's doing a fantastic job.
And then, if you were starting a bank holiday, maybe looking to get into a series or something like that, is there any series you could watch over a bank holiday weekend? Especially if it's lashing rain or...
Yeah,
James, what do you think? Any television series you recommend for bank holiday weekend?
yeah. Stranger Things.
Stranger Things.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good show. Yeah. And what about you, Sean? Do you recommend any series that you could get through over some long bank holiday weekends?
Oh, I don't know about getting through it in one weekend, but I'm watching Yellowstone.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. All about cowboys in America and backstabbing politics.
What is it? And is it like Dallas set in the 80s or does it go back?
I didn't watch. I think I saw a few episodes of Dallas back in the day, but I think it is along those lines, but not as Dallas was very cheesy. I think, wasn't it, or maybe it was.
I'd say it was the height of sophistication at its time, probably, wasn't it? Like Beverly Hills 90210. I kind of watched all that, and now I'm like, oh, it's
I watched that as well.
At the time, I was like,
Yellowstone is very good though. Yeah, it's all about corruption, politics, and cowboys.
Ray, who was the fella in Dallas? JR. He was the
JR,
the corrupt.
Yeah. Kevin Costner kind of plays maybe a similar character.
Is he?
It's on Netflix, but it's also an RT player.
Neon Paramount.
Yeah.
Neon Paramount. Look.
Yellowstone.
I think I went on Netflix.
Yeah. It's on the RT player as well.
Neon Paramount.
It's on Paramount, is it? Ah, yeah.
Alright, well, nice one. So do you want to wish our listeners a good bank holiday weekend, Paddy?
Yeah, have a good, happy weekend.
Alright.